In the ever-evolving digital landscape, where attention is scarce and competition is fierce, one thing remains constant: the power of killer content. Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets to creating a content marketing strategy that will captivate your audience, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately, skyrocket your business. So grab a pen and paper, because you're about to embark on a journey to content marketing success. Welcome to this exciting episode of Mastering Marketing. Today we're diving deep into the art of creating a killer content marketing strategy. Before we begin, remember that every great strategy starts with a clear understanding of your target audience. So, step 1, define your audience. Researching your audience is key. Dive into analytics, conduct surveys, and engage with your audience on social media. Understanding their pain points, desires, and interests will enable you to create content that resonates deeply and drives engagement. Once you've defined your audience, it's time for step 2, content ideation. Gather your team, grab a whiteboard, and let the creative juices flow. Brainstorming sessions help you generate a plethora of content ideas. Think outside the box and aim for diversity in formats, blogs, videos, podcasts, infographics, while staying true to your brand's voice and tone. Step 3, organize and plan your content. A content calendar is your best friend in this journey. A content calendar keeps you organized and ensures a steady stream of content. It helps you visualize your content distribution across different platforms, aligns with your marketing campaigns, and maintains consistency. Step 4, leverage the power of influencers and industry experts. Collaborating with influencers and industry experts not only adds credibility to your content but also expands your reach. Interview thought leaders, invite guest bloggers, or feature industry experts in your videos to tap into their audience and establish your brand as a trusted authority. Step 5, measure, analyze, and optimize. Tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, is crucial to understand what's working and what's not. Dive into analytics, measure engagement, and make data-driven decisions. Remember, content marketing is an iterative process, and optimization is the key to success. Step 6, engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential to building a loyal community. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your audience feel valued. Remember, it's not just about creating content, it's about building relationships. Step 7, invest in visual storytelling. In a world of short attention spans, visual storytelling is a game changer. Invest in captivating visuals, stunning graphics, and compelling videos that make your content stand out in a sea of information. Step 8, promote and distribute your content. Creating great content is just the beginning. You must put in the effort to promote and distribute it effectively. Utilize social media, email marketing, search, and collaborations to amplify your reach and attract your target audience. Step 9, continuously iterate and improve. Never settle for mediocrity. Continuously evaluate your content, experiment with new ideas, and keep up with the latest trends. Stay agile, adapt, and strive for constant improvement. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating a killer content marketing strategy that will elevate your brand to new heights. Remember, content marketing is not a one-time effort, it's an ongoing process. Embrace creativity, stay consistent, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Start crafting your killer content marketing strategy today and unleash the power of content. Cheers to your content marketing success.